So how about I just give you the car? Alright guys, so I'm back vlogging on the iPhone today. So I don't know if it's previous clips or clips after that, I'll probably just throw it in after that. So as you see here, I have my friend Graysen's 300ZX behind me. And he comes on for the military tomorrow, so I'm doing last minute prep work and stuff on it. I detailed the entire interior. I did the engine bay, did a wash on everything after I got off work. That's why I look like this, just got off work. And currently, I'm going to do more detailing on the whole car basically. I'm currently taking off the wheels to paint the calipers. I'm gonna paint them red and do the logo white because they say Nissan on the calipers right there. So I'm gonna paint all four of those red and put the Nissan logos as white. And I'm gonna attempt to restore this because it's gray. Attempt to restore that to black. If I have time, paint the badge black and do the Nissan, like the words in white. And let me show you around. So basically, if I have time and do that logo, I'm gonna try to restore this as best as possible. You can't really tell on camera, but it's gray. Yeah, you can definitely tell. And I'm gonna paint the calipers red and paint the logo right there white. And I'm gonna try to clean up the engine bay. As you can see, it's really filthy. But yeah, as you can see, it looks really good. The dash, see how right here there's like spots? The entire dash should look like that, but as you can see, it's black. The interior's all clean. The center console's all nice and clean. All that besides the seat. I have some stuff I'm gonna try to basically put on that and clean that seat up. The rear is pretty good. And this is basically what the whole car looks like currently. It's not gonna look too much different because I don't have that much time. But you know, I'm working with the time that I have. Take a moment to look how good this dash looks. You're welcome, Graysen. You're my buddy. You deserve it. Go ahead and show you around in here. This is all pretty well clean. I installed new speakers for him, so now he has all 4 speakers in the car. They all work very good. I installed this into his car because he was complaining that he couldn't listen to the radio or listen to music on his phone. So that allows you to listen to music on your phone via Bluetooth. The cigarette lighter has 2 USB ports right there because he complained that he couldn't charge his phone. And you can also do wireless calling from there too, so you're welcome, Graysen. He was talking about getting rid of this car, so if he ends up deciding to get rid of it, I might have to get it off of him and continue the build series on this channel with this car. Graysen, this is an update video on your car. You're welcome. Love you, buddy. Alright guys, so I decided to take a look at his windshield wipers and look disgusting. So I'm going to go ahead and fix up these windshield wipers for him. I'm going to restore them all back to black and I'll update you when those are done. And caliper on the driver's side is now drying, and so is this other rear one. Update. The grill is now blacked out. It is no longer that cruddy gray color or nothing. So as you guys can see, there's imperfections. It's not because of the paint, it's because the grill was obviously, you can see it was damaged, it was cracked, there was chips in it, like scrapes, like someone like keyed it or something like that. So yes, it's not gonna be perfect. That's not what I was going for. It's for a perfect grill. If I wanted something perfect, I would have got a brand new one. The point was to bring it back from gray to black. That's pretty good. Alright, Graysen, so when you see this video, you're gonna see how dirty and your car is. Like, dude, that's disgusting. That's gross. Now look at this side. So white.
I'm gonna get this out better than yours.
Yep. Graysen, my man. Dude. Dude.
I'm exposing us.
Crusty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, speakers work, by the way. Dude. What is this underneath? Bruh. Found your HKS sticker for you, sir. I'll put that on your car for you somewhere. Dude! Oh my gosh! Yeah, we're about to change this for you, kiddo. Dude, Your dash got more dust than an old granny that's dead. All of your shiny white jam pieces, I guess you can call them. Ooh. So dang white that it's too bright on the camera. Alright, Grayson, I'm sorry ahead of time. I got kind of carried away and I kind of sticker bombed your car. Don't know if you're gonna like it, but you know, 1320, 6-speed, hell, AEM, K&N, and NRG. I figured you'd like a little touch, you know, it makes it look more sporty. I don't know how well it can see you, but I mean, I can see you. So look at the front part. What do you see different on the front?
It looks a lot cleaner. It's actually black.
What is?
The trim.
Yeah, and the grill's actually black now.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like it's all actually black.
Oh yeah, and then you come over here, you got your cool little calipers that I custom
That's what I
did for
saw.
you.
Oh
You see the Nissan logo?
So good.
Yeah. As you see.
Oh my gosh.
Oh jeez. Oh, not on the new speakers! No! Oh, that's tragic. Well, hopefully it still works. Because those are brand new.
Me and Robert over here, Ghost Flash. Yeah. We were talking about, you know, potentially me selling him this car. But I decided that, you know, I missed your birthday. And, you know, it's just Christmas a little bit ago. So how about I just give you the car?
Wait, what? Okay, I was not expecting that one.
You don't have to do it with your hands, it's okay.
I don't.
You said you've been loving this car and you put a lot of work into it, and I mean, I have no use for it, so.
You're lying.
No.
You're lying.
You just have to get through the DMV and transfer it all. He's gonna cry, it's okay.
Oh.
It's a little bit.
Alright, so I forgot to film an outro to this video, so I'm filming it now in the garage. It's a totally different day. But anyways, and Grayson, big shout out to you, man. Thank you for the car. I cannot ever repay you. Like, words can't even describe how happy I was in that very moment. I didn't look happy, but trust me, on the inside, I was dying of happiness, Grayson. One of the best friends I could ever ask for. And I'm going to build this car and keep doing it for you. And you're going to see the progress while you're in the military. You're going to always see the progress of the car. I'm always going to update you beforehand, before any video goes live, so you know what I'm doing to the car and you know how the progress is coming. And just know, when you come back home, the car will be here ready for you to drive. And hopefully by the next time you come, it'll be ready for drift. Like, comment, subscribe to this video, guys, and I'll catch you in the next Ghost Flash video.
Me that I'm lost and located in the back though. Don't even wanna check.